Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So you can again see, like I have shared one tip where I could generate everything, see description part, then better titles and video script, even video script from VidIQ, and even you can see one audio here. So you can see this. We will be getting one voiceover also. So it's not like we can just use it here, but also we can use this detail. Maybe if we are going to record a video for various social media platforms, and we want to give voiceover to it, so we can use this voiceover, right? We can see it here. We can just download it from here. You can download it, and then if you are going to create any video for your brand or any social media channel, so you can use this video, like this voiceover. You can use these hashtags or say keywords on YouTube, then you can use this description part or say caption part, and then title. You can see it when like the main screen of the video. You can use this as your title, and then this is the video script. And in order to save it, I would suggest you to just go to document, click here, okay, and then start pasting everything. Okay, sorry, just let me, okay, copy it from here, go back here, and then this is our title part. Okay, let's copy description too, and make sure to write description so that you can get to know, or else we'll mess up things later. Or then copy keywords, come back here, come here, keywords or hashtags. Okay, then after this just go here and copy video script. Okay, copy video script. So this is the one way where you can find content to cover any video, even if you don't have any idea about like what are you going to record, or on where like what are the things that you can cover when it comes to any particular topic. So from here you can just get an idea. And it's not at all suggested to do this, but I'll show you one thing. Okay, let's in this video let's talk about the difference between getting content from vidIQ app, that is we need to pay for it, we need to get vidIQ Pro version, and then creating the same content from this document part, Google document. Okay, so there I wrote the title of okay, you can see it right here like this. That's what they have given me, better title, but I wrote like how to use in short, where like I put that semicolon, then complete guide. So let's do the same. Even we can even we can write this also. We can just copy this, and we can go right here, we can paste it here, then we can just like tap this title part, and we can go for elaborate. Let's see what is something that we don't me to please. Okay, then let's see what we are going to like generate as a result. So let's wait for it. So if I talk about this part, so this is more likely to post on LinkedIn in the form of your article. Okay, so let's do one thing. I'm just going to replace it. So I have just replaced it. Okay, so you can see it right here. So I'm going to just that give this partition to this, and LinkedIn. Okay, blog. So this is my LinkedIn blog. Now here you can see how nicely they have like done it. So just read this, and then introduction to in short, what is it and what are the features that we can get from it. You can read everything right here. Editing fundamentals, then advanced video editing techniques. When it comes to advanced technique, would be it will include like using voiceover, then using video sorry that fast video kind of thing, cut and then trimming it, and then cutting video into two parts, then adding it. Also like editing video by based on your requirements. And it will also add, if you say if you want to play any video in slow motion, or there would be reverse playback. You must have seen a lot of people used to like, you must have seen a lot of photographer, what did they do, they just record the video and then they reverse the process, so it looks too nice. So you can also use the same, you can also do the same in shot also. So yeah, there are a lot of things we'll discuss in like everything we'll discuss. I have recorded one video and will be, maybe it will be there in the channel, you can see it. So yeah, these are the things that we can do it from. Like, it's not, if you are not at all using with IQ, I'm not asking you to pay for it and get this like pro version. If you are using it, I'm just showing you, I'm just sharing a tip where you can use like full potential of this with IQ app. So that whatever investment you have done, it should not go in vain, so you can like use it, okay? So, and if you have not have this VidIQ Pro, then you can just go to this Google document and you can get like, I won't say same result, but similar kind of results. So yeah, you can see it right here. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.